I want to show you how beautiful these flowers are. They're only open for about 12 hours. And they're one of the largest flowers. And this is a piece of fir, and this is how I pollinate the dragon fruit. You can see the yellow pollen sticking to the fir. I go between the flowers. Normally this is done at night by moss. This is a chunk of fir. It's a dark color, and you can see the white on here. This is the pollen off the dragon fruit, and I store this in my freezer, and if it's in the fridge, the pollen is viable for possibly a few months, but stored in the freezer, it should be good for decades. Here you can see the fruit is setting. Notice how they're puffing up and green. Some of the fruit dropped. They turn yellow, they don't get green, and they drop off. So the hand pollinating is working. This particular plant has 18 fruit that's set, and that's out of approximately 30. So the hand pollinating works. Last year this had 32 blossoms, none of them set. This one here had a couple blossoms, and you can see this one is really puffing up. This one just blossomed a couple days ago, and you see the flower, it wilts. As long as this part stays green, it will be attached. This one in particular is self-pollinating, or it may not be. This blossom stayed open for 24 hours. So through the course of the day, maybe the bees are able to visit, but again, I hand pollinated just to make sure that they will fruit. So the hand pollinating works well, and from the time the blossom opens, it takes approximately 44 days for the fruit to be ripe, ready to pick. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.